Hey, Wayne, part of Lawn Side Safety here. I'm going to show you how to change a grommet. So one of the main reasons we'd want to change a grommet is if they're cracked, torn. You know, these wear out over time. These are actually in pretty good condition, but I'm still going to show you how we change them. Sometimes they can even look good. You put it on, but it keeps leaking. So what we're going to do is, you can take a little screwdriver. This is actually a nice one, but borrowed it from the shop. Just kind of squeeze it in there. And just pull it out. That's it. So that's out. Now I'm going to take a new one. So now putting in a new one, you're going to pay attention. It's got a small front and a bigger back, a little thicker. So if it's going in, it's a little more difficult, that means you're doing it right. Start at the top, get the groove in there. Pretty self-explanatory. Push it in, and that's it. But one little tip is, don't just do one, do them both. Pop it out. Again, take the bigger side, goes in first. Slide it in the groove. Really easy on a warm day. Colder day could be a little more fight. Just slide it in, make sure it's good. And that's it for changing a grommet. Thanks for watching, be careful.
Here we are at the tractor. And as you can see, one of the grommets look pretty good, but one of them is pretty worn. So we're going to change them both. Very similar to the trailer. Just get that screwdriver in there and just, there we go. Got that one out. Same idea with the trailer. You want to squeeze the fat part. Beautiful, there's one. And then we'll do the other one. All right, grab that, squeeze at the fat end. We have two good grommets on the tractor.